Welcome to Accelerator pedals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily test your 2004 through 2015 Cadillac CTS Accelerator pedal sensor. This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car. Next, you'll be doing the potentiometer setup. You're going to have your battery that you set up before connected to a multimeter like this, set to 20 volts. You're going to connect the negative from the battery that you just set up to this top first pin, the negative from the multimeter to the second pin, which we've got marked in green, and the positive from both the multimeter and the battery connected up to this third pin. Once you do that, you're checking for both spikes and glitches, and as we have seen in our own experiences, the voltage might differ from what we show you in the video. And then when you set up the second potentiometer, and which I'll do in a second here, you're gonna move the pin negative from the battery here from this first pin to the fourth pin, the negative from the multimeter from the second to the fifth, and the positive from the multimeter and battery are going to attach from this third pin to the sixth pin. Once you do that, it should. So what exactly will this look like? When you start doing this, you're going to connect the black, green, and red like we've got set up, and it should look something like this in the video. And when you're done testing, you're making sure that everything is good. You sort of see here that I didn't have enough time for the video, so I decided to just switch it up right here, right then. It's kind of unclear what I do, but it's essentially I move everything down. And you can see that the video in the video that it's doing the exact same thing as before. So if you have a problem with your multimeter, go to the link down below. It should take you to our page with one of these, the Cadillac CTS, and you should be able to find one wherever you can find it. Thanks for watching. Bye.